Hello everyone, you're welcome. So today's recipe is a homemade stomach inflammatory and improved digestion juice. So there I have a whole pineapple, I have the juice of turmeric that I basically made, and the juice of one orange and one lemon that I took out of the fruit, ginger and one apple. So basically what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to use my juicer and take out the juice out of those fruits. And for the ones I have taken the juice out of it, I'll just add it in there and mix everything together. So this is a powerful juice, being that I have already seen the effect in me, and so I decided to share it with you guys. Every fruit we have here is anti-inflammatory or antioxidant, which the body needs. Pineapple is a tropical fruit that are rich in vitamins, enzymes, and antioxidants. They help to boost immune system and suppress inflammations. Ginger, on the other hand, is loaded with antioxidants and they boost weight loss also. They help to decrease hunger and anti-inflammatory also. Turmeric, on the other hand, is a natural anti-inflammatory and a powerful antioxidant, which makes it very effective in freeing up radical damages to the body's cell. Orange and lemon, which I have taken out the juice, like we know, is a very good source of vitamin E, and they help to promote hydration and they also aid in digestion. So these are basically very important fruits that we need in our daily lives and our daily activities, which helps the body to function very well, gives you a flat stomach, make you stay healthy. So thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please kindly do so if you love what you see on the channel, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.